The Hicksville, Long Island Junior High PTA, in drawing up this code, was not to set up a list of don'ts, but to give parents and pupils some idea of what is considered good citizenship today. Included in the code are spiritual guidance, social behavior, school attire, home parties, hours to be home, respect for property, and weapons. These students are portraying what we consider bad taste in school attire and behavior. This student is wearing an ankle bracelet, dungarees, and dropped earrings. Open shirt, black jacket, dungarees are mentioned in the code as not proper school attire. This student is wearing an extremely tight skirt and tight sweater. Off-the-shoulder dresses or earrings are considered improper for school wear. This assembled group is our ideal of the proper school attire and social behaviors of the Hicksville Junior High